Hello everyone, welcome to A Few Minutes. So today I want to talk about something that is important to me, and that's you guys, the subscribers. There's one thing that just carries this channel is my loyal subscribers. I really appreciate everybody on there. So today I wanted to take a minute to give a shout out to one of the subscribers on my channel that has their own channel. So if you guys want to check him out, it's the Hilltop Hiker. He's over on YouTube if you want to check out his stuff. This is actually one of the backgrounds from one of his videos. I mean, could you imagine hiking through something like this? I think I would love it. So where I'm at, we don't have mountains around us. You know, I used to be a runner, and I tell you all the time, like whenever you run, you zone out. Everything just goes away when you're running. It's just one of those things. Could you imagine being up in the hills by yourself like this? So peaceful, so relaxing. You know, all the bullshit in the world that's going on doesn't matter whenever you're in a place like this. I can guarantee it. Just absolutely peaceful as it could possibly be. I just thought it was a unique channel, something a little bit different. So if you guys want to go check out the Hilltop Hiker, you know, see if you guys are, you know, liking his videos as much as I do, because like I said, I could feel it through the video. Like I relax. I love calming stuff. I love calming stuff. I love stuff that, you know, relaxes you. So you guys need to find something that gives you peace in your life. You know, so that's why I think his channel is unique. If you can check him out, Hilltop Hiker. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.